Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how you can share internet connection with your iPhone or how to turn on mobile hotspot on your iPhone. So there is two ways, but in both ways we need to enter to settings. For the first one, you enter to cellular option, and after that you enter to personal hotspot, and from here you just click on allow others to join. And if you want to give you this internet connection or to share with someone, you just need to enter the password. And you have three ways to give this internet to others or to share internet with others. As you can see here, the first one using WLAN, and the second one using Bluetooth, and the third one using USB. So this is the first option to share internet. The second one is more fast, is by entering directly to personal hotspot. And as you can see here, it's activated. You can deactivate it or activate it again. So this was our video for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the